Hey, Ella, how you doing today? Good to have you again this morning. So, remember yesterday we talked about writing, where we started the lesson of writing words in figures and figures into words, and we started with the subtopic yesterday, which is about writing figures in words. So today we'll be doing a continuation of that, which is the writing of words into figure. The opposite of that, will be doing the writing of words into figures, and it's as easy as that of yesterday. So you just have to keep your focus and walk along with me in this lesson, and I believe you'll be able to do well in it. You'll find it very easy. Remember, it's a little bit of an advancement while we take you to the next digit, which is 1,000, which you probably weren't familiar with, but it's just as easy as the introduction of it. So that's what we'll be doing again today. We'll be doing a continuation of it. Remember, like I said, is the writing of words into figures. So stay with me and let's go into the lesson. We said that we are doing another subtopic today, which is the writing of words in figures. Writing of words in figures. So this can also be done by an expansion method, although with a little different arrangement. You can do this. So this one would make you read it like an addition. So let's look at the examples that we have here. Examples: write the following words in figures. So the first one we'll be looking at is the 49. If you can read, you should be able to do this. 49. So how do we write this in words? So it's as simple as, let's bring out our writing material here. It's as simple as simply writing each of the words out. So we have 49 here, right? So we just write it. The first one, each of the words for word, but remember, we'll consider how it is for the place value. So 40, then what's 40? 40 is 40. That's 40. Then the next word we have here is 9. Remember, 40 is a tenth number. So, but 9, being standing alone, is a unit number. So we write it at the first part here, 9. You can see, it's like you are doing your addition, the way you arrange when you do your addition. So the way this 49 will appear in number form is, can add the unit first. 0 plus 9 is 9. Then the next one is 4. 4 plus nothing is 4, and that's how we get 49. So 49 is 49. So this is the first example. Let's go to the next example that we have here. So now the next example here states that 702. Remember, we're writing each word with the place value one above the other. So the first one we have here is 700. 702. So let's bring out our writing material as usual. Yes, 700. Let's take this both. Okay, but let's put it here for now. Okay, perfect. So 702. So let's write each of the words. 7, then 100, How is 700 written? Remember, 100 place value, you just have the number with 2 zeros behind it. So that's 7, 0, then 0. 700, then and 2. So the next number we have here is simply 2. So how is 2 looking like here? 2 is going to be simply written under here. Remember, it's a unit, so we just write it at the end here, which is the first place value there. So we add together. Okay, let's write this properly. So we add it together, then we simply get it. So that is 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 here plus nothing is 0, then 7 plus nothing is 7. So we have 702, that's 702. 702 is 702. You can see how it's easily interpreted. So let's do the last one here, which involves a bigger number going to the level of the 1000. So let's do that. Okay, let's move this here. So if you can read, you see the reading of this says 2000, 600, 675. So let's carefully write each of these from the beginning underneath here. Now let's start. 2000, 2. Oh, that didn't show quite well. Okay, let's write it again. 2000, that's 2. Thousand. So how is 2000 going to be written? Remember, that will be 2 with 3 zeros behind it. 1000, that's 3 zeros behind it. 1000. Good. Then the next we have here in our reading is 600. 600. 600. 600. That's how is 600 going to be written? That's 6 with 2 zeros behind it. Remember, we have to arrange it as the way we arrange when we are adding our numbers. So that's 6 underneath is here. Oh, sorry, there's a dot here. Okay, so let's write 6. No. The alignment here a bit shifted. So let's write 6, then 0, 0. You can see that's 600. That's how you arrange. Then the next number we have here is 70. 70. 70. That's the next word we have here. We want to change into figures. 70. Remember, 70 is just 2 digits. That's 7 with 0. It's in tens. So that's 7, 0. So the next number we have here, what is it? What is it? Is 5. 5. Let me write it here a bit further so that I can align with the others. Okay, good. Now 5. How do we write 5? Let's write its units. So the last place value here underneath. Boom. That is it. So now we can write our addition here to show that we are to add all of them together. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, that's 5. Yes. 5. Then next one is 0 plus 0 plus 7, that's 7. Then 0 plus 6 plus nothing, that's 6. Then 2 plus nothing, that's 2. So 2675, that is how to write 2675. It's as simple as ABC. It's as simple as that. You don't need to worry yourself. I know some of you can probably easily interpret this into figures or vice versa, with to maybe words to figures and figures to words. But it's recommended, if you are not really sure of what you are heading at, you do it the way I have shown you, and I'll be actually requiring of you to show these workings so as to learn this and be familiar with this, maybe before you be mastered at it, when you'll be able to do it even without this sort of calculation or analysis. So you always do your workings like I will also state in the instruction, so that I would want you to get mastered at it before you can probably do without it. So this is just for you to get familiarized without words turn into figures and figures turn into words. So with this lesson, I'm happy that with this you'll be able to know how to interpret figures into words and words into figures. So we're moving on there to learn some beautiful things in mathematics. Remember, mathematics is not that hard, just for you to put in your focus and concentration, and you will get your way around it. So that is it for today. So remember, you are all awesome, and keep practicing, keep studying, stay safe, and take good care of yourself. Bye.